This game is called Jingle Jam. For this game, you can set this game up at a desk in a classroom or a table like we have here. In the middle of the desk or table you're using, you will set the ring that was included in the game bag up. Then there was a baggie of bells that you will pour into the ring, and you'll want to make sure you take time to separate the bells so that none of them are touching. It'll be a lot harder for them if they're not separated. Then on both sides, you're going to set one cup and one of the magnetic rods. You'll also see there's a piece of paper that has the point values for the different colored bells. You'll want to set that in the middle next to the ring so that both teams can see it when they're playing. When the students come to play this game, you'll divide them into two separate teams and have each team stand in a single file line behind where you set the cup and the rod. The first student in line is going to pick up the magnetic rod and try to pick up one of the bells. Now, it's very important they only get one bell, because if they get more than one bell, they lose their turn. They have to take the bells off and put them back in the center. They need to be strategic about this, because the point of this game is to be the team that ends up with the most points. So while they're getting the bells, they want to look at the bell point value sheet so that they're sure they're trying to get the most points possible on their turn. When all the bells are gone from the center of the circle, the teams will empty out their cups carefully and they will count how many points that they got using that sheet to help them. The team that got the most points is the winning team. You can play as many rounds as you have time for, and it might be fun each round to move the bells a little bit closer together to make the game more challenging. An important thing to note here is if the kids are having a hard time with the number of bells that were included, and they're getting multiple bells each time and getting frustrated, you can always just take some out so that you can spread the bells that are left out more so that the game is a lot easier. Have fun.